Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine at home and you have completed your practice question. Last video I was solving on page number 62, question number 2. Find the LCM of these numbers using the prime factorization method. So some questions are left out of this question. I want to complete it. So let us come on here. Question number 4. Chapter number 6. First write chapter number. Chapter 6. Factors and multiples. Question number 2 on page number 62. Here asking find the LCM of these numbers using the prime factorization method. So question are here written in book. I will not write question. Here directly come on question number 4. Question number 4 are given here 18 and 24. Here asking find the LCM by using prime factorization method. So first we have to find the prime factorization of 18 and 24. Then second step we select the common factors, and third step we have to multiply common factors and non-common factors. So now come on here. Prime factorization of 18. You know that 18 divided by 2. And 9 is a composite number. 9 should be divided by 3 because 9 is composite number. If divided by 9, it will be not prime factorization. So 9 should be divided by 3. 3 3 is 9. And 3 divided by 3 only. And then 24. Prime fraction of 24. 24 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6, and 3 is a prime number, it will divide by 1. Then you have to write prime fraction of 18. 2 into 3 into 3, and prime fraction of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then you select the common factors. Common factors. One pair of 2 is common and one pair of 3 is common. So you have to multiply here common and non-common pairs. LCM. Here 2 multiply 3. These both are common. And what is left out here? 3. In first number 3 is left out. And second number 2 times 2 is left out. Then we have to multiply 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 2 is 36, 36 2 is 72. That is LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. One more method you can find the LCM without selecting the common factors. See here, you are seeing here 2 and 3, only 2 times number are coming. Here 2 1 times, here 2 3 times. So you have to multiply maximum times. That is 2 should be multiplied 3 times. And 3 coming here 2 times and here 1 times. So 1 and 2, 2 is maximum. So 3 should be multiplied 2 times. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 3 is 24. 24 3 times 72. So you can use this or that method. So I hope you understand. Now come on here. Question number 9. Yes. Now come on ninth one. Here number is given 54 and second number is 36. So prime fraction of 54 is 27 divided by 3. So 3 9 is 27 and 9 is divided by 3, 3 3 ja, and 3 is divided by itself. Now 36 divided by 2, 9, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Then we have to write prime fraction of both number. Prime fraction of 54 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and prime fraction of 36 is 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. Then select the common factors. Here one pair of 2 and one pair of 3 is common. So 2 multiply 3 and then multiply non-common pair. Here see one more pair of 3 is common. Sorry. So 2 times of 3 and this all remaining. So no number should be left, all numbers should be multiplied. Now multiply 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 3 is 54, 54 multiply 2, 108, 108. That is LCM of 54 and 36 is 108. Second method, see here 2 and 3, 2 times number are coming. Here 3 are coming 3 times. Here 3 is coming 2 times. So 3 should be multiplied 3 times. 3 into 3. And here 2 1 times. Here 2 2 times. So maximum times 2 should be multiplied 2 times. If you multiply, you get 108. So you can use any one method. What you understand? Now I am going to discuss how to find the LCM more than 2 number by using prime factorization method. So here now come on 13th one. Now 13th here given 3 numbers 12, 18 and 24. So prime fraction of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now prime factorization of 18. 2 into 3 into 3. Prime fraction of 24. So 12, 2 into 2 into 3. 18, 2 into 3 into 3. And 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. First to select common factors of all 3 numbers. See here 2, here also, here also, here. So 1 2 is common all 3 numbers. And then see 1 pair of 3 is common all 3 numbers. And then see 1 pair of 2 is common between first and third line. That is here. After that you select the common factors of 12 and 18, then common factors of 18 and 24 also, and then common factor of 12 and 24 also. So see here 1 pair of 2 is common here. That is LCM. Another way you can write, here see only 2 and 3, 2 times number are coming. Here 2 times, here 2 1 times, here 2 3 times. So you can multiply here 2 3 times. By that method you can use, or this method, 2 into 3 into 2, and what remaining? This and this number. that is 2 and 3. By that method also, see here 2 times, here 2 1 times, here 2 3 times. So 2 should be 3 times, 1 2 3 times. Okay, and then 3 here 1 times, here 2 times, here 1 times. So what is maximum? 2 times. 3 should be 2 times, here written 3 2 times. So multiply all number together. 2 3 is 6, 3 is 18, 18 2 is 36, and 36 multiplied by 3, 3 6 is 18, and 3 3 is 9, 110, 108. That is LCM of 12, 18 and 24 is 108. That is 108 is the least number which is divisible by 12, 18 and 24. So one more question of this exercise I want to do here, 16th one. Now come on 16th one. 60, 90 and 120. 60, 90, 120. So prime fraction of 60 is this divided by 2, 30, again by 2, 15, and this divided by 3, 3 5 ja, and 5 is prime number, divided by itself. Now 90, 2, 45, 45 divided by 3, 3 1 ja, and this 3 5 ja, and 5 1 ja. Then 120, 2 and 60, then 2, 30, 15, and then 3, 5, and this divided by 5. Now you can write the prime fraction of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and 90 is 2 into 3 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, and 120, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then LCM, you should write here, see 1 pair of 2 is common, 1 pair of 5 is common, and see here 1 pair of 3 is common, and then see here 1 pair of 2 between 60 and 90 is common, and here 2 and 3 are remaining 2 common. So you can multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 more times 2 into 3. Or see here 3 times number are coming. Here 2 coming 2 times first number, second number 1 times, and third number 2 is coming 3 times. So 2 should be multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. And 3, here 1 times coming, here 2 times, here 1 times. So 3 should be multiplied 2 times. And see here 5, here 1 times, here 1 times, here also 1 times. So only 1 times are coming, so 5 1 times. Then you have to multiply 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72. 72 multiplied by 5, 5 2 is 10, and 5 7 is 35, and 136. That is 360. So that way, or in this way, you can multiply 2, 1 pair of 2 is common, 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. In that case also answer will be 360. 360 is the least number which is divisible by 60, 90 and 120. So children, I hope you understand, and I will give some practice question of this question, and you can solve in your classwork copy. And if I have any problem, any doubt, anything, you can ask without any hesitation. Thank you for watching the video.